Good day, miss. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir Madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Sir Madam, I'm Crystal Bay Sidimson, 25 years old, blessed with one son. I have one sister. My father is an auditor and my mother is a plain housewife. I am a college graduate and work as an housemaid in the Philippines. My major duties are child care, age 2 to 7 years old.
Can you tell now your daily activities on how you take care of the children?
My daily activities, Sir Madam, is to prepare their meals, send them to school, play with them, and read books with them. And I love children very much.
Okay, so and then aside from taking care of children, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
Sir Madam, I do ironing, cleaning, dishwashing, and cooking.
And do you know how to cook?
Yes, Sir Madam.
What kind of dishes you can prepare?
Filipino dishes, Sir Madam.
Do you know how to go to market and do the marketing?
Yes, Sir Madam.
And do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, Sir Madam.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To support my family, Sir Madam.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
Sir Madam, I assure you to finish my contract without any problem. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Enough to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, can you show your best?